Hi, David Maley here, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about wheatgrass. I love to grow wheatgrass. We juice it as often as we can. I try and do it every day, but it doesn't usually work out that way. And it's just very healthy for you. But now, if you look at this wheatgrass I've grown in front of you, got a couple different selections here. Some of this was grown from wheatgrass seeds that I bought over the internet. And this right here is one of those. And if you look up close, you can see how it's not really that, I mean, it's got healthy looking wheatgrass, but it's not very thick. And you can see a lot of seeds in there that didn't grow. Um, that was bought over the internet right there. Then this one over here, the same thing was from the internet. You have some that are pretty, uh, vibrant and growing, and then you have a lot that did not or just did not produce. Now this is wheatgrass that I bought from Patel Brothers, which is here in Charlotte, and this just shows you how thick fresh wheatgrass seeds can grow. So it's the same number of seeds. The difference is that one is from a local Patel Brothers store, and this one is from the internet, grown at the exact same time. Look at that. You can see a huge difference there. This one, I would say like 1/5 of it maybe grew or less. This one, you can see all the seeds pretty much have grown. Look at how thick that is. Same thing over here. At the same time I grew this one here, which is very sporadic looking and has big areas of nothing or just seeds. Look at this one right here. This was grown at the exact same time, and look at how thick and nice that one looks. This is just really nice, really thick looking wheatgrass here that I grew from Patel Brothers. And so it depends on where you get your wheatgrass from to grow, how you grow your wheatgrass. And then all I do is I put the seeds on top of soil. You can see it in my videos. I show it in numerous videos how I grow the wheatgrass seeds. And basically you just put the wheatgrass on top of some soil, put a little light uh, bit of soil on top of it. You can start your wheatgrass seeds in a jar. I show that in one of my other videos. If you want to have 100% germination or close, you need to do it in a jar. If you don't do it in a jar, you won't have 100%. You might have 80 to 90% germination rates, which is still really good, as you can see right here. This is abysmal right here. This is just almost not worth growing. And the reason being is when you cut this, I mean, you can see right here, it's very thin. It's better than nothing, but I would have to use this whole entire large pan here to have enough wheatgrass for one person versus this one here. Look at this. This is a much smaller pan, and just look at how thick this is. I have enough wheatgrass here for several people, and that's in a much smaller area. So fresher seeds bought off the internet just does a whole lot better. And I bought these from Patel Brothers. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe and like down below.